Hello, Teresa. My name's Christina. I'm
Hi.
the dietitian. Did you get over here okay?
No problem, thank you.
All right. So what are we here for today? What can I do for
Well,
you?
I'd like to lose like 15 to 20 pounds.
Okay. And do you know how tall you are?
5'4",
And how much do you weigh right
150.
now? Okay. So I think we're going to do a 24-hour diet recall. You're going to tell me what you ate yesterday from breakfast to dinner. Was yesterday a typical eating day for you?
I'd say, yeah.
I'd say it's typical. Okay, so let's start with breakfast. And we can further evaluate.
All right. I had a sesame bagel,
Mm-hmm.
cream cheese, and coffee.
And coffee. Okay, and how big was your bagel, would you say?
Big.
Big. All right. And for the cream cheese, do you know how much you used? Was it like one of these,
Probably like 2 of those.
2 of these? And for your coffee, do you use any cream or any sugar? Cream and sugar?
Yes.
And about how much cream? Any sizes or?
Well, I'd like to say that much, an ounce. Probably is that an ounce.
Okay.
And the sugar, I put about 2 teaspoons of sugar.
Okay. All right. And what time was this at?
About 9.
About 9 a.m. All right. And did you have any morning snacks?
I did.
You did. Okay.
I had orange juice
Mm-hmm.
and a snack-sized bag of pretzels.
And for the orange juice, how big would you say it is when referring to this glass?
Oh, thereabouts, yep.
That's the whole thing?
Yep.
And do you know what time you had this at?
Probably about 11.
11 a.m. And what did you have for lunch yesterday?
Lunch. Oh, I had a beef and bean burrito,
Mm-hmm.
and then I had some tortilla chips.
Mm-hmm.
I had guacamole and salsa. Then I drank a lemonade
Okay.
with it.
And how many tortilla chips did you have? Was it like a handful, 2 handfuls?
Probably about a handful.
Probably about a handful. And do you know how much salsa and guacamole you had? You can look at these cups. Any of them look about right?
Well, probably just a little of each, so I'd say, the
Okay.
smaller one.
And do you know what time you had this at?
1 o'clock.
All right. And did you have any snack after lunch?
I did. I had. I had a granola bar. I could hardly remember that. I had a granola bar, and I had a little trail mix on the side.
Trail mix. And do you know how much trail mix you had? Was it like this size, about that size?
Probably.
All right. And do you know what time you had this snack around?
Oh, I don't know, about 3.
And did you have dinner last night? What did we have?
Yes, I did. I had pork chop,
Mm-hmm.
and I had corn on the cob,
Mm-hmm.
mashed potato.
Mm-hmm. Do you use anything on your corn on the
Oh,
cob?
yes, I had to put butter on
You had
it.
some butter, okay. And what size for butter did you say? So one of these, one of these.
Oh, definitely.
One of these. Okay. And did you have anything to drink at dinner?
Yes, I had milk.
Milk? Do you know what kind of milk?
Yeah, it was a 2% milk,
2%?
a big glass, like that.
And do you, like that? Okay. So you drink milk and you use it with cereal?
When I have cereal.
When you have cereal, yes.
I do.
Alright. And you said you had pork chops.
Yes.
Using my palm as a reference being 3 ounces, how much pork chops would you say you had?
Slightly bigger.
Slightly bigger than my palms. And the corn on the cob, did you have a whole piece of corn? What time did you have dinner at?
5.
Alright, and I noticed that you had corn on the cob and mashed potatoes, so that is a vegetable. Do you typically eat vegetables with dinner?
Always.
You always eat vegetables. And do you have fresh vegetables or frozen, canned?
A little bit of each.
Little of
Sometimes
each.
it's canned,
Mix
sometimes
it up.
frozen.
And how many times a week do you say you eat vegetables? Is it every day?
Every day.
Every
I try
day.
to have a portion at least.
Okay. Do you usually vary your vegetables, or is it just corn?
I vary them.
You vary them, okay. And did you have anything for a snack after dinner?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
I had a cup of light chocolate ice cream. My favorite.
And would you say it was about this size?
It was big.
Okay. And what time did you have that at?
Probably around 7.
Okay, and I noticed that you didn't get any fruit yesterday. You had some orange juice, though. Do you usually eat fruit, or was it?
I probably could do more.
I probably could do more, so it's more juices. And for bread, do you like the white bread? Because I noticed you had a bagel, or for sandwiches, do you usually use wheat?
Sometimes
Sometimes.
wheat. Sometimes wheat.
Okay.
Sometimes wheat.
And for meats, do you usually eat red meat, turkey, chicken, fish, all of them?
All of them.
All of them? Do you eat this every day? You have a piece of protein?
Yes.
Okay. And do you ever
Especially
eat
at
eggs?
supper.
Especially at supper. Do you ever have any eggs?
Yes. I'll have that for breakfast.
Okay. How many times a week do you say?
About 3.
All right, so we're going to review this and we'll meet up in just a little bit. Thank you.